MicroBit Artificial Intelligence Programming Learning Kit. It is a learning aid designed for the age group of 8 and above. This set is based on globally popular hardware development. Paired with 20 different types of modules, open source sensors, and actuators. Both sides compatible with LEGO and various metal structural components. Paired with support for multiple programming platforms. It is easy to achieve programming. 10 Grove interfaces with strong versatility and scalability, featuring a detachable motherboard socket design, cooperate with transparent protective cover, detachable battery design with reserved screw holes. The set is also equipped with a newly upgraded intelligent speed measuring motor. The set includes 20 different types of modules, open source sensors, and actuators.